Looking for a new vacuum but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices out there? You've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down 5 of the top-rated vacuum cleaners on the market, covering everything from lightweight stick vacs to powerful upright machines. Whether you're in a small apartment, a house full of pets, or just need something reliable on a budget, we've got an option here for you. Let's dive into the best vacuum cleaners to help you keep your home spotless. First up is the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright. This machine is a fantastic choice if you're short on space but don't want to compromise on power. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry up and down stairs or maneuver around furniture. It features what Bissell calls scouter-free technology, which is perfect for hard floors because it prevents debris from shooting everywhere as you vacuum. Plus, it comes with a quick-release extension wand, making it a breeze to clean ceiling corners, baseboards, or upholstery. It also includes a turbo brush tool that's specifically designed to tackle pet hair on stairs and couches. And here's a feel-good bonus: every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation. If you want full-size power in a compact, lightweight frame, this is a solid bet. Check the link in the description to see it for yourself. Next, we have the Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Compact Bagless Upright. If weight is your biggest concern, you'll love this one because it's only 7.7 pounds, making it one of the lightest full-size vacuums around. Don't let the featherlight design fool you though. It packs plenty of suction for both carpets and hard floors. It has a quick-release handle that lets you lift it off for above-floor cleaning, and the included crevice tool and dusting brush snap right onto the vacuum, so you never lose them. It's a straightforward, no-fuss machine that's perfect for dorms or small apartments. The 1.7-liter dust cup is large enough that you won't be emptying it constantly. For a durable, affordable, and truly lightweight option, this Eureka is a top contender. You can find the link to it below. Moving on to the cordless category, the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner is a real standout. Let's be real, dealing with hair wrapped around the brush roll is one of the most annoying parts of vacuuming. This model features a tangle-resistant design that handles long hair and pet hair with zero hassle. It's a lightweight stick vacuum that converts easily, and it gives you up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is plenty of time to do a whole house. It comes with a pet tool and a 2-in-1 crevice tool, making it super versatile for furniture, cars, and rugs. The 5-stage filtration system is great for capturing dander and allergens, and the dustbin empties with one click. If you want the freedom of cordless cleaning without the tangle trouble, this LEVOIT is a game changer. Next is a fantastic option from a trusted brand, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum. This one is perfect for pet owners because it comes with specialized tools to grab embedded pet hair from upholstery and carpets. It features LED headlights on the nozzle, which is a surprisingly useful feature for spotting hidden dust bunnies under the couch or in dark corners. Even though it's a stick vacuum, it has an XL dust cup so you can clean longer without stopping. And one of the best things about this Shark is its versatility. It easily converts into a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning. It's lightweight, swivels smoothly around furniture, and provides powerful, consistent suction since it's corded, so you never have to worry about the battery dying. For powerful pet hair pickup and bright LED lights, this Shark is a winner. Check the Amazon link for more details. And finally, we're looking at the KARDV cordless vacuum cleaner. This machine is packed with high-end features that make it worth every penny. It boasts a massive 40 kPa of suction power, which is incredible for a cordless stick vac, ensuring it pulls deeply embedded dirt out of carpets with ease. It has a smart LED display on the handle that shows you the battery life and suction mode, so you're always in control. The runtime is impressive at up to 60 minutes, and it comes with a V-shaped anti-tangle brush roll, so you won't be cutting hair off the roller. It also features a large 1.5-liter dust cup and a wall-mounted charging dock for convenient storage. If you're looking for a powerful, feature-rich cordless vacuum that can handle everything from hard floors to high-pile carpets, this is the one. Check out the link in the description to see this high-performance vac. So, after looking at all these great options, which one comes out on top? If you want the absolute best combination of power, features, and convenience, the KARDV cordless is our top pick. The insane suction, long battery life, and smart display put it in a league of its own. But the beauty of this list is that there's something for everyone. If you're on a tight budget or need something ultra lightweight, the Eureka is a fantastic choice. For pet owners who want specialized tools, the Shark is unbeatable. All of these vacuums are top-rated for a reason and have been carefully selected to help you find the perfect fit. Be sure to check the links in the description below for current prices and more details. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!